What if the most earth-shattering camera news of the year wasn't dropped by the usual giants like Apple, Sony, or even GoPro, but instead erupted from deep inside DJI's own house? Picture this. A tiny, unassuming black camera, no bigger than the palm of your hand, is somehow generating more feverish excitement across the entire creator community than the latest iPhone Pro Max. And here's the wildest part. The viral whispers, the brazen leaks, and the shocking claims surrounding the unannounced DJI Osmo Action 6 are so incredibly potent that creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are already crowning it the undisputed GoPro killer 2025, and it hasn't even had its official global debut yet. Subscribe for more informative videos. As I work hard to gather useful information for you, in return you just hit the bell icon button naturally after the first 2 to 3 sentences. Today, we're not just touching the surface. We're diving headfirst into the very core of the latest Action 6 viral leaks, dissecting the hidden features, analyzing early tester whispers, uncovering surprising design overhauls, and revealing the real, compelling reason why the entire online world is suddenly fixated on DJI again. Trust me when I say this. Once you grasp the rumored capabilities of this little powerhouse, your perspective on what an action camera can achieve will be fundamentally and permanently altered. So, settle in, take a deep breath, and pay close attention, because the secrets we're about to unveil might just revolutionize how you approach shooting video forever. Let's begin with the initial shockwave that rippled across the internet a few weeks ago. A cryptic, grainy clip mysteriously appeared and began circulating rapidly across Reddit, Twitter, and private Telegram channels. The footage allegedly showcased a next-generation DJI Action 6 undergoing secret field tests somewhere in mainland China. Initially, skepticism was rampant. People dismissed it as a cleverly crafted fake. The image quality looked impossibly good, the colors too organic, the sharpness too razor-fine, and most baffling of all, the framing was neither traditionally horizontal nor fully vertical. It looked like a seamless hybrid. That single observation immediately exploded into the biggest, most seismic rumor about the Action 6 yet. The possibility that DJI is poised to introduce the world's first true multi-platform square-sensor action camera. That one leak alone sparked millions of frantic online searches. DJI Action 6 Square Sensor, Action 6 TikTok camera, and the immediate classic, DJI vs. GoPro 2025. Is Action 6 real? Overnight, this tiny device became the most hotly debated gadget on every social timeline. But the real game changer arrived with the second devastating leak. Multiple highly credible sources began asserting that the DJI Osmo Action 6 would integrate a feature that has historically been completely absent from the action camera genre: variable aperture. Not a fixed setting, not a lockdown lens, but true on-demand aperture control. f/2 for pulling in all that sweet, precious light in dark environments, and f/4 for surgical control and gorgeous depth in bright, daytime shooting. The reaction from the community was explosive, reaching a new level of frenzy. Creators immediately dubbed it the Pocket Cinema Cam, the YouTube creator's dream tool, the holy grail of travel cameras, and if the leaks hold true, potentially the best camera of 2025. And the plot thickens with a third major leak. DJI is allegedly making a conscious, brilliant choice not to chase the unnecessary 8K spec, avoiding the bigger number, worse performance trap entirely. Instead, their focus is laser-sharp on engineering the most perfect, most optimized 4K image ever produced by an action camera. This means exponentially improved low-light performance, massively better dynamic range, next-level stabilization, impeccable clarity, and the welcome absence of giant, cumbersome 8K files that no one truly uses. The collective opinion online is that DJI made a genius, creator-focused strategic move here. Instead of simply flexing meaningless technical specs, they are delivering something tangible, useful, and something every creator has actually been pleading for. Yet, the leaks continued, culminating in a massive new rumor about stabilization. Insiders claim the Action 6 will elevate stabilization to a level that feels genuinely unnatural, something early testers are already labeling Gimbal Mode Plus. According to these detailed leaks, DJI's renowned Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady systems are receiving a critical, deep-rooted upgrade, powered by deeper AI prediction, smarter motion analysis, and a larger buffer zone made possible by that new sensor design. The audacious claim is simple. You'll be able to run flat out, jump, bike, skateboard, ride, fly, flip, and even crash, and the resulting footage will maintain the cinematic smoothness of a shot captured on a $1,000 professional gimbal. If this holds even remotely true, the era of needing a separate gimbal for action filming will be over. But the revelations are far from over. Let's tackle the creator's eternal nemesis, low light. The moment the sun dips below the horizon, most action cameras become unusable. The footage turns grainy, noisy, mushy, and shadows destroy your shot. However, according to stunning leaked test footage, the Action 6 introduces a radical new super night mode that is rumored to push the ISO to an unbelievable 51,200, while somehow maintaining clean, artifact-free footage. The clips being shared are absolutely stunning. Smooth, clear, bright, representing genuine low-light performance that actually looks professional, not like a blurry potato. But now, prepare for the leak that has caused creators to utterly lose their composure. DJI is finally introducing dual transmitter audio support built directly into the camera body. This means two people, two separate voices, recorded simultaneously with professional quality, entirely eliminating the need for bulky wireless receivers, awkward adapters, or frustrating guesswork. Just clean, crisp, professional audio piped straight into the video file, a non-negotiable dream come true for vloggers, interviewers, travel duos, and collaborative creators. But we have to address the million-dollar question. Why is DJI pushing this hard right now? Why release a camera that, on paper, feels a good 3 years ahead of the current GoPro technology? Some well-placed leak sources suggest that DJI is no longer content to be the GoPro alternative. They are making a decisive move to dominate the U.S. market and eventually replace GoPro as the default action camera worldwide. And frankly, with everything we're hearing, they just might pull it off, especially considering the rumored price point of around $399. That isn't just competitive. That is an aggressive, direct punch squarely aimed at the chin of GoPro's entire current lineup. The leaks continue to get more fascinating, with some insiders claiming that DJI is not just launching a camera, but an entire new ecosystem. New modular accessories, smarter mounts, and advanced editing features built right into the DJI Mimo app that will crucially allow creators to edit for both vertical and horizontal platforms from a single master video file. They are essentially aiming to fundamentally change how creators think about content capture and repurposing. Finally, let's quickly cover the design leaks. Spreading images suggest the Action 6 might feature a slightly larger body to accommodate a vastly improved heat management system, enhanced weather sealing, and a new, significantly brighter front screen ideal for outdoor vlogging. There are even whispers of a groundbreaking creator mode that automatically switches the screen's orientation, and UI based on whether you hold the camera horizontally or vertically. Imagine this. You flip the camera for a TikTok shot. The UI flips instantly, but the recorded subject remains perfectly centered because of a new square sensor. This truly could be the most intuitive action camera ever conceived. But the ultimate jaw-dropper, the leak that silenced all critics, is the 4-hour battery life. Yes, leaked documents are claiming up to a staggering 4 hours of continuous shooting on a single charge. This is monumental, as battery life is the single persistent Achilles heel of every action camera on the market. But DJI seems ready to solve it for good. Add to that a fast charging capability that reportedly refills the battery in a mere 52 minutes, and the whole package borders on the absurd. Another persistent rumor suggests the addition of Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast wireless transfers, meaning massive video files can be dumped onto your phone in seconds. One early tester summed it up perfectly, saying the Action 6 feels like it was built for TikTok editors, YouTube creators, Instagram storytellers, and filmmakers all at once. And that might be the most accurate description of all. Let's bring this back to you, the creator, the traveler, the filmmaker, the everyday person who simply wants better videos with dramatically less effort. This camera has the potential to simplify your entire creative workflow. It could save you hours of reshooting, allow you to capture a single moment and use it flawlessly on every platform, help your account grow everywhere simultaneously, and provide truly cinematic-looking footage without needing expensive, complex gear. It promises the ability to film perfectly at night, in the cold, in the heat, underwater, mounted on a drone, strapped to a bike, inside a car, and while running full speed, all without requiring you to be a professional cinematographer. That is the real magic of the DJI Osmo Action 6 leaks. This isn't just about technical specifications. It's about creative freedom. The freedom to create without fear of technical failure. The freedom to shoot once and post everywhere instantly. The freedom to focus entirely on your compelling story instead of your complicated camera setup. And the freedom to finally capture life the way it genuinely deserves to be captured. If even half of these astonishing leaks turn out to be true, the DJI Action 6 will not just be another camera release. It will become the most important camera release in years. We are truly entering a new, exciting era of content creation. An era where creators no longer need bulky rigs, heavy lenses, giant tripods, or hours of post-production. One small, intelligent device is becoming enough. And the DJI Osmo Action 6 might just be that device. My personal opinion? Even before the official launch, the DJI Action 6 feels like an absolute winner. It feels like the camera built precisely for the world we live in. Fast, social, mobile, spontaneous, platform-heavy, and utterly creative. The leaks are bold, the rumors are powerful, and the early test claims are simply unbelievable. If DJI truly delivers on everything we've seen, GoPro will face an incredibly difficult time catching up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.